In this video, I will show us how to manage our customer Odoo database license using the license manager module. Here is a model. I want to generate a license for my customer. I'll go here, create a new license, select the customer, select the product. To generate a license, you will need the database UID of your customer. So I'll go to my customer database, go to settings, go to system parameters. I'll copy the database UID. I'll then go back to my license manager server. I'll put the database UID. When do you want the license to be effective? So I have 12 months. Select the end user agreement, and then you can generate the license key. I can choose to activate the license immediately, or I want to generate an invoice to be paid by the customer before I activate the license. So I'll go ahead and generate the invoice. I'll confirm the invoice. Then I can register payment for the invoice. I go back to the license manager. You see below here, all the invoices generated against this license will be listed here. So I will go ahead and activate the license. So the license is activated and is effective from 17th of June 2023 to 16th of June 2024. I will go to my customer database. I will install the database license module as part of the license manager module. So I will install this on my customer Odoo database. Then I will configure by default, since we haven't activated any license for our customer yet, it will give the customer a grace period of 3 days to activate a license, or rather pay for a license. Otherwise, the database will automatically lock. So I will go ahead and activate a license for my customer. Go to technical. I'll go to system parameters. I will create a license key called a database license key. Then I will take this license key generated in my license server, and I will save it. Right. So when I go back to my um, dashboard, this is the customer. I refresh. You see the database is activated. So I would want to show us what will happen if the license is about to expire, and when the license expires, or when the license is deactivated. So let's simulate that for you. I'll go back to my license manager. I will deactivate the license on the license server. Go ahead and deactivate this. So you can see the license is deactivated. If the customer tries to access the database, you can see the license is deactivated. Okay, so I'm able to manage the license from the backend on my own server. So I will activate, I will update the license, right? And simulate scenario where the license will expire in say 7 days, right? I will go ahead and 2023, say by 23rd of June, this license will expire. So I will go ahead and activate it still. Of course, initially it will be activated until um, the license runs through to when it expires. So that's what we want to simulate. So this will expire in, think in 7 days or so, right? So now we will go back to the customer database. When the customer tries to do, um, the customer will receive this warning message that the license is about to expire. I'll go ahead and decrease the date again. So as the license keeps in running, so let's change this to now um, 3 days to expiry or so. I'll save that. Let's see. This is my customer database. See, the database will expire in 2 days. Now let's simulate when the database expires, right? So the database expires. We are going to um, deactivate this and then expire the license. Let's say the license expires yesterday, right? The license has expired. So I'll go ahead and um, save this. And um, once the license has expired, see the system will automatically mark it as expired on the customer database. See, the customer will be blocked from doing anything on the database until the customer renews the license. And we'll assume that the customer has paid us money for renewal. We can then renew the license, right? Okay, so we'll renew it. So the license has been renewed. The customer comes back. So the database is available for the customer. So this is how you can manage your customer database using the license manager. This works similar to how the Odoo enterprise license works. So thank you for watching.